What you are about to see can change the way you practice law and increase the number of new clients. It's a short video presentation presented by Nelson Tucker, CEO of Process Service Network. Nelson's company has been in business since 1978, so they must be doing something right. He is an associate member of the American Bar Association and the Los Angeles County Bar Association, and is the only qualified expert witness on the subject of international service of process in the U.S. Nelson is known as the process server to the stars, as he has personally served over 80 celebrities and 5 heads of state. He will share some vital information entitled, What Every Attorney Should Know About International Service of Process. Now, here's Nelson.
Hello, I'm Nelson Tucker, CEO of Process Service Network, and I want to take just a few minutes to share with you some ideas on how to get new clients. I'm talking about cases that involve international service of process. In this segment, we're going to be talking about countries that have created obstacles and roadblocks to prevent service on defendants in their country and ways to get around them. The greatest challenge with international service of process is meeting established court deadlines. An extension of time for service can be easily obtained with the proper filing by the attorney of record and a declaration by the process server. Although few process servers understand fully the rules involving international service of process, a handful specialize in serving the needs of clients in foreign markets where there is a maze that is simplified. Let's start by examining Mexico, which is a signatory to the Hague Service Convention. And when they ascended to that treaty, they agreed to follow the terms of the convention. Mexico is also a signatory to the Inter-American Convention on Letters Rogatory, which is a separate treaty. But Mexico has cleverly combined the requirements of both treaties to make it more difficult for service in their country. Eddie Verón Levy is an attorney who practices in both California and Mexico. And here's what he said about service in Mexico, and I quote, "They're very clever at putting up roadblocks to slow down the process of serving their corporations. I know firsthand how the system works there. The only way around it is to fully understand how to bypass their obstacles." China is another country that has set up roadblocks to service of process and has become a maverick when it comes to delays in international service of process upon their defendants. There are numerous reasons that China has created obstacles to service, not all of them reasonable. So why impose roadblocks at all? Well, the answer is quite simple. They attempt to prevent assets from leaving the country by blocking and delaying service upon their corporations. So let's examine a summary of tactics that China has put into place to delay and prevent service of process upon defendants in their country. First, they disregard properly submitted requests for service and allow the case to lie dormant, hopefully having it be dismissed by the court of jurisdiction. They review all documents for translation, and there are serious delays in that process. China authorities carefully review all documents looking for such words as controlled by the Chinese government. They refuse to process cases that mention the words Taiwan or ROC or Republic of China. There are routinely claims of incomplete or incorrect documents, even when everything has been submitted properly. And most recently, there's been a change in the method for payment of government fees, changing it from a cashier's check to a bank wire transfer. In summary, over the last few years, China has been hit hard with litigation against their corporations. They have aggressively made a decision to try to block, delay, stymie any service on corporations in China. As China's economy has slowed in recent years, they've taken steps to aggressively block service of process upon defendants. Other nations such as the United Kingdom, Canada, Sweden, Malaysia, Australia allow private process servers a free rein to complete the service without interference by the government. And so you can see that there are some countries which are considered mavericks. They are doing everything they can to block service of process coming from outside their jurisdiction in an attempt to prevent assets from leaving the country. If you have any question about service of process internationally or domestic, please give us a call or visit our website at www.processnet1.com, and that's just the digit 1. www.processnet1.com. There you'll find information on every country in the world, the different service options, and our fees are posted there clearly with no surprises. I know I've given you a lot of information in a short period of time. If you'll share this video with your entire staff, your associates, your paralegals, your legal secretaries, I'm convinced that it'll help them in understanding better how international service of process works. Join us next time as we discuss the high cost of international service of process and how you can avoid those costs. Until then, I'm Nelson Tucker, and I'm here to help.
If you would like a transcript of this presentation, please email Nelson at nelson@processnet1.com. That's nelson@processnet1.com with the digit 1.